Hi. To change the theme, you need to open a new tab by selecting the plus at the very top. Then, as you are on the Google home page, in the lower right corner press the pencil button. Now you will see a window with the option to change the background. As you can see, there are quite a few different themes here, such as landscapes. If you want to select one of them, then click on it once and hit the blue done button. You can also use the refresh daily function, then your theme will change randomly and automatically every 24 hours. These will be themed themes, that is, choosing landscapes will be images from this theme. If we go back to the home page, we have the option to upload our own graphics. Look, it look like this. When we choose color and theme from the panel on the left, we have the option to choose a specific color. Look how nice it looks. We can choose, for example, red. Now please leave a subscription to my channel. I also invite you to my other tutorials. Thanks for watching the video. Leave a thumbs up below the video and let me know in the comments if this tutorial helped you. Have a great day.